and welcome back to Sai Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 6th to the 10th of October 2025 on Monday. Lungelo put his fear aside and makes a decision that shocks his family, while the Magwazes continue to butt head over the ghost in their midst who refuses to leave on Tuesday. Banile's defiance split the Magwaza family as Makumalo facing an impossible choice at the Dladla house in Minati tightens her grips on Wednesday. Banile breaks the heart of the one he loves the most as he says his goodbye, and Mampele worries that Iminati is messing with the tight board her family enjoys on this day. Banele prepares to cross over. Temba celebrate a new Lungelo with a financial test. Iminati offers to help Lungelo. Is it an act of love, loyalty, or betrayal on Friday? Sanele is home, or is he? Lungelo discovers the betrayal, and the Dladlas are left reeling from the fallout. In the spirit realm, a brutal reckoning unfolds. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.